Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to teach you guys how to produce a laundry bar soap that has two colors. So it's just all about producing a colorful laundry bar soap. That is what today's video is going to be about. So you can see my ingredients. I'm actually highlighting them with their measurement, and if you observe, I'm making use of double of majority of my ingredients. Like the palm kernel oil, I divided into two containers in equal parts. The caustic soda, they are in two containers also in equal parts. Even my water, they are in two containers in equal parts. So I want to teach you guys how to produce a laundry bar soap with two colors. So this is the process. Just watch and learn. Then over here is the soap mold that is sold in my company or at my workshop where I produce the soap. This soap making equipment costs 7,000 naira. So if you need this soap mold, you can reach me on the phone number displayed on the screen of this video to purchase it. We deliver nationwide. We have them in stock. If you need them, just reach me on the number displayed on the screen of this video. So you can see the soap molds of different shapes. We have them in stock. Just in case you need this mold, just do well by reaching me on the phone number displayed there on WhatsApp. We deliver nationwide. So back to the soap making process. Don't forget, I'm teaching you guys how to produce a colorful or a laundry bar soap that has two colors. So we are back to the process on how to achieve this type of laundry bar soap. So if you wish to learn this, just follow the instructions or the demonstration I'm giving in this video. It's not easy, it's not hard to make, it's easy. Just follow the steps. If you wish to practice this, follow the steps. Then if you wish to join my online class, because I actually organize trainings on WhatsApp, if you wish to learn how to make soap making, if you wish to improve your soap making skills, if you want to learn how to make the body cream, the powder detergent, and other stuffs like the bleach, the disinfectant like Izal, hair shampoo, hair cream, Vaseline, hair conditioner, there's a lot you'll learn in my online class. You can do well by reaching me on the phone number I have displayed on the screen of this video, or you check the description of this video. You'll find a link where you can click on. Once you click on the link, it will take you to WhatsApp where you can join my classes. There you will learn a lot. You will improve your soap making skills. There's a lot of information that you will get from the training. After 24 hours, the soap is ready. So we are going to take it out of this soap equipment, which is called a soap mold. You can see how I'm losing it. Then also we have ebooks for sale, just in case you wish to purchase my ebook on soap making and other skincare and household formulations. If you wish to purchase my ebook, you can reach me on the phone number displayed on the screen to purchase this ebook. This ebook is very rich and very informative, so just do it by reaching me on the phone number to purchase my ebook on soap making and other household formulations. The other household formulations are stuffs like detergent, body cream, hair shampoo, liquid soap, the hair conditioner, the powder detergent, the shoe polish. There's a lot of things that are in my ebook. If you wish to purchase it, just reach me on the phone number displayed on the screen of this video to get this ebook. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video, especially subscribe so that you'll be updated by our new videos. Thank you for watching and see you all next time. Goodbye.